Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is a little guest wristlet that I have used for today. And before I change out for tomorrow's bag, I just wanted to show you what I had placed inside. This is a wristlet bag from Guess. This style number is 18GF149. The color is lavender. This bag was $19.99. Again, it's from the Guess outlet store. There it is right there. It is a beautiful lavender with almost, it's not a gold and it's not a silver, it's almost a bone color tag right there with Guess on there. It does come with the zipper at the top of the bag. The back of the bag does have a wide open pocket as well. The bottom of the bag. So let's take a look and see what I packed inside. This bag will collapse, so I'm just going to lie it down while I pull the items out here. There's a pocket at the back where you can put your cards and things like that. So I have all the cards I need in there. I also have placed in here a powder. I also have a pack of Kleenex as well. I also have a telephone charger right here. It's a very sleek black charger. I purchased these as a kit at Costco, actually. They were on sale at our local Costco. I believe the price was $36.99 for two. And as you can tell, it's about the size of a pack of Kleenex. To go with that, I just put in a small charger cord. I have also placed in here a hand cream. As you've seen my other videos, you've seen the electrolyte mix that I put in my water. These are available at Amazon. It's great flavor, 0 sugar in that package. I also have in here the Flow from Ultima. If you've seen this before in my other videos as well, this is a perfume to go. So on this bottom of this container, you would have a small opening. You would spray the perfume of your choice into here, and very carefully, there's a stopper at the bottom of the cap. Put that on the top, screw it tightly back on, flip it over. If you pull off the top, you have spray nozzle, and in here is just enough to take your favorite perfume with you on the go, so you can just slip it into something in a smaller bag, such as a small wristlet. I do believe it cost around $10. It's a good item to have. I also have packed in here a pen. I also have in here a small lipstick. Now this and these two items have come in the June Ipsy kit. So these three items together, along with other items, but these are the ones that I've taken out for my bag. I will link that Ipsy kit below. It is a kit that comes monthly to your door with full size and trial size products for you to try. This is actually a mascara. So I'll get this off here for you. to see. Just a small brush of mascara. This is a spray-on perfume. And this is a lipstick. There's the mascara size. Great for small bags if you're taking a small wristlet with you. These are perfect size to go. And that's all that I have in here. It does hold quite a few items. This is everything I have put into the bag. Right here. All into this wristlet right here. And here is the price of the bag. It is from Guess. It is 18GF149. It is in the color lavender. And it retails for $19.99. And as I said, it does have the little bow detail, which is ever so pretty. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the like and subscribe button as well. And a notification bell to be notified when I do upload another video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.